Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. You may have watched the video where we unboxed everything here. I just did a quick overview of the whole IMS kit like this for my 2023 Frontier. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over just certain pieces of the kit in case you don't want the whole kit. Maybe you're looking for just a part. So let's get at it. Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about Dobinsons IMS front struts. Now, this comes completely assembled. I paid extra for that. You don't have to get it like this, but for me, I paid the extra because they will ship it to you like this in the box, and it is literally ready to go straight onto the vehicle. You won't need a spring compressor. You don't have to worry about putting the new cap on. You don't have to do any of that. They do it for you. Comes straight out of the box right here, like this, ready to go on the truck. So when you do that, of course, in order for them to build it for you, you'll have to get their cap. So they put a new cap on here. You just got all the locking nuts and everything ready to go on here. You have your spring. Now for me, again, these are the heavy duty springs. I have some stuff done on this truck, a little bit extra weight on the front of the vehicle, so I went heavy duty for mine. And then down here, you can see it is adjustable. You can see the thread inside as well. So depending on what truck you have, what kind of ride and everything, you may have to adjust this up and down. They do send a wrench with this inside the box. It was actually inside the other box, but they send you these wrenches, and what that is basically a wrench to fit into these little notches here, because this is what holds your thread up and down. So you can unlock it, and then you can kind of adjust this up and down. They do send a paper with this, with a list of a bunch of different trucks. So you find your truck, they want you to figure out the measurement for your own truck, and you're measuring from the center of the eye here up to, if we spin this slightly, up to this point right here. So where the end of your spring meets, you can see this steps down from the bottom portion of the step down to the center of that hole. So when you're looking at the paper and you find your truck and it says X amount of millimeters or inches, whatever, that is where you're measuring, from there down to there. But again, this is ready to go. Ordered it straight from them. If you don't want this, of course, you will need a spring compressor. You can reuse the old cap if you want, but again, if you're going to get it pre-assembled like this, you do need their cap, and just everything is easy to put in. For myself, like I said, I don't need a spring compressor now. I don't have to worry about messing with any of that. I can literally unbolt the front of this truck, bolt this sucker in, put everything back on, and we're all set. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to go over piece by piece of all these parts. So if you want to see this part specifically on the truck, make sure to like and subscribe. Go back, check out all the other videos on the other parts. And again, if you want to see the entire kit, it'll be on my 2023 Frontier here very soon. So if it's not already out, go back, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. If it's out, lucky for you, go back and check out that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully it helped you out. If you got any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.